Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. On my way home, I had to stop at Wally World. Pick something up there and get home now, but a little bit cool out here. Got my big old winter gloves. But they're not heated or nothing. These ain't, but at least they are definitely warm. Not near as comfortable, of course, as small gloves, but they definitely keep you warm. So anyway, it's cold. Not as cold as Alaska. Oh, speaking of Alaska, any of you guys watch Itchy Boots? We have watched Itchy Boots since the last couple of years, and we actually went back. You can go back and start at her first video, oldest video, list them out, oldest first. And we watched every video, me and the wife. We watched them together. It's kind of like watching a evening television show. And until we finally caught up, then we have to watch, as she comes out with an episode. But it's just like watching every week, watching TV. So, watching Itchy Boots, we can't wait for Itchy Boots to come on. And so, very interesting to watch her. She's definitely living the dream. Pretty awesome. And now she's ended in Alaska on this one. Riding a Honda CRF 300L Rally. She did have a Honda CRF 250L last season. But the question is, what's next? Do anybody have any idea? What do you think she should do next, or she's going to do next? I was hoping she would come more into the United States, because when she came through the United States from Mexico, anyway, she really didn't spend that much time in the United States. She kind of just went through, and well, she missed a lot. She went through a few places, but she missed a lot of good stuff. And I don't know what she's doing, her plans are, but maybe she's going to do some more here in the States, I hope. I don't know where she's going or where she is right now, because her videos are made quite a bit in advance. She posts them a long time after she already done that ride, and that's so I think so people don't know where she's at the time. And also, so what do you guys think? Will she continue on the same bike, the Honda CRF 300L that she's named Alaska? Or will she get a different bike for this next season? A lot of times, the next season she usually gets a different bike. I'm kind of hoping she stays on the CRF 300L, because I think out of all the bikes she's had Royal Enfield, CB500X, 250L, the CRF 300L. She's had several different bikes. But I think the CRF 300L Rally fits her the best, and for the purpose she does, especially because it's probably not the lightest weight dual sport. I'm not saying that, but it's lightweight compared to the other bikes that she has used. And being a woman out on a mission by herself, that's what she needs. I think some people believe that she's actually not by herself, but trust me, she's out by herself. She totally films it all, goes through all this by herself. It's pretty awesome what she does by herself. She's definitely brave, because some of the stuff she's been through, like down in Mexico and stuff, I don't know that a man would have been able to go through, because, I think sometimes she gets leeway because she is a woman, and a pretty woman. That probably helps, but I think being a woman, they kind of go easy on her. And if it would have been a guy, it might not have been such a easy go for her all this time. But she's been pretty fortunate so far, and she's had a few spills, but really hurt her ankle once. So anyway, I'll post a link below to Itchy Boots. If you've never watched Itchy Boots, it's a good channel to watch. And the best way to do is do like we do, and start at the beginning and watch all of her videos all the way through. So I'll post a link to her channel down below. This video didn't even start out going to be itchy boots. I just mentioned Alaska because of the cold, and end up being, we're talking about itchy boots, but because that's my actual favorite channel. I do watch some others like Heavy D Sparks and Whistling Diesel, but Itchy Boots is our favorite. We can't wait for her to come back out, see what she does next season, see where she's at, if she's going to be on the Sierra 300L or if she's going to be on a different bike or where she's going to be at. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get on down to the house. I just thought after I mentioned Alaska, I'd go ahead and mention Itchy Boots. Thank you all for watching. Comment below. What do you think Itchy Boots next going to do? What's she going to ride? If you have any ideas, some people may have already heard. I haven't heard anything yet. But thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Subscribe to my channel. Click the thumbs up. Catch you on the next one. Right on.